can't be downstairs.
They're sending somebody.
Who is?
911.
Nuts.
Oh!
Alright, chill. 911 sending somebody.
So it stops for a second, and we get all excited. It teases us.
And yet, I'm still something.
And what I love is that none of the neighbors.
I still have your microphone.
That's just gonna do sometimes. Oprah will handle this. I love how none of the neighbors have called 911 though.
So clearly.